Hey everyone, I am Rashmi. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you guys whatever I got from Zara. I have actually never shopped before from there and there was an awesome sale going on, so I thought this is the perfect opportunity to shop there. I have a H&M store near my office and I always end up going there, and even when it came to online shopping, I went with H&M since I had already tried their stuff. I know it's a very lame reason not to try Zara, but it is what it is. Anyways, now without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. So I have got a lot of jumpsuits. I just really love them. I can wear them 24/7. The fit of them is really flattering on the body. So I'll just go through the bodysuits first, and then I have got few t-shirts and then few dresses. First bodysuit that I have, I actually got them in two colors. One is this blue and one is this beige sort of color. Actually, they are really nice, they are really soft and they are ribbed, but the only issue with these two are that the neckline is a little too deep for my taste, so I'm not really sure I'm going to keep them or not. But definitely you can go for them if you are not very heavy chested or anything like that, then you can definitely go for them. They feel really comfortable as well, and since they are very basic jumpsuits, they don't have the clasp at the end. They are just like a single piece of cloth is there rather than having the clasp. The other body suits that I got, they all have the clasp at the bottom, so they would be a little bit more convenient than these ones. Now coming to the price point, they both are 1790 in MRP, but I actually got both of these for 790 each. Now coming to the next bodysuit, I got this pretty black bodysuit which is kind of sleeveless, not sleeveless and not cape sleeves, somewhere in between that, and it has padded shoulders. This really looks nice. This gives some structure to the shoulder. And also if I talk about the bottom, it has two clasps at the bottom, and also I think there is some elastic going on here so that it comfortably sits on the crotch area. I really like this. Actually, I'm a fan of black, nude colors and white color, so I end up going a lot for these colors. I consciously try sometime to get some more colors, but I end up getting black, whites and nudes a lot. Anyways, now coming to the price point of this one, this actually has MRP of 1990, but I got this one for 990 rupees. This is actually a very nice piece. I'm really happy with this one. The next bodysuit that I got is this pretty mauve colored high neck bodysuit. This is sleeveless and has high neck, and this is made up of lace. This is a little bit sheer as well. Let me just show you. If I put my hands inside this, I think you are able to see my skin, but it is really stretchy, so you won't have any issues with the sizing or anything. Like medium person, if they are a little bit heavier or lighter, they will be able to adjust with this one since it is very stretchy. And if I talk about the bottom part, then it again has two clasps and very comfortable on the crotch area. And coming to the price point, this is 1790 in MRP and I got this one for 790. I really love this one. I paired this with a nude bra and it was looking bomb. I'm really excited to wear this one. The next bodysuit that I got is this beautiful top colored bodysuit which has full sleeves, and again this one also has shoulder padding, so it really gives a nice structure to the shoulders and it looks beautiful. And again coming back to the clasp, it has two clasps at the bottom, and it again has this stretchy material like the black one, which is really comfortable on the crotch. And this one has this square neckline. I really like this square neckline sort of thing. These kind of things are really my new favorite. Other than being a bodysuit, I got this one for the neckline, and also as I said, I love nude, mauvey or black and white sort of shades, so this really came into that category and I got this one as soon as I saw this. Now coming to the MRP, this one is 1990 rupees, but I got this one for 990. I really love this one. If you can get your hands on this one, definitely get it. Now moving on to the basics, the t-shirts. My favorite part. They have been my friend in this lockdown. Anyways, the first one that I got is this pretty charcoal colored t-shirt. Now again, this one also has padding, and if I can show you, this is the padding. They are on both sides of the shoulder and they are properly secured, so it's not like it is moving around. Yeah, you will feel comfortable with this. This is actually the favorite t-shirt out of the lot that I got. It is a little bit cropped, I won't say to an uncomfortable level, but this is a very comfortable crop sort of t-shirt. Like, it comes near my navel, so it is very comfortable. Now coming on the price point, its MRP is 990 rupees, but I got this for 590 rupees, and I am really happy with this one. Also, this is a ribbed t-shirt which I love. The next t-shirt that I got is this pretty grey t-shirt, and it has a little bit of text going on here. It says Hollywood, Los Angeles and all that. Again, this one has a shoulder padding as well, but the shoulder padding in this one is something I'm not impressed with. Let me show you. So this is the shoulder padding. This is actually not secured at both the corners. So sometimes it just bunch ups at one corner, which is not a pretty look. Actually, the first time I tried this was bunched up at one place and I was like, okay, what is going on my shoulder? And then I saw that is the case. But still you can make this work. This is very comfortable t-shirt, and the color, I really like it, and this is very boxy sort of t-shirt, so the fitting is great as well. I am going to keep it, although I wish the padding was not there on the shoulders, or either it was stitched on both the corner. Anyways, now coming to the price point of this was actually 990 rupees, but then again I got this one for 590 rupees. Now the last t-shirt that I got is this pretty pastel colored t-shirt. This is a ripped t-shirt, and this does not have shoulder padding, because the other ones that I got, most of them have shoulder padding. This is a very different color. I actually didn't have anything like this in my wardrobe, so I thought I'll definitely go for this. This is not cropped, this is like full length, not like very loose t-shirt, full length kind of thing, but very flattering, very well fitted, form fitted kind of t-shirt. So I really like this one. I tried this and good decision. Coming to the MRP, it is 990 rupees, but then again I got this for 590 rupees. This is also a purchase that I really like because of the color. The next piece of clothing that I got is this cropped shirt. This is a very pretty shirt, and this has some cape sort of sleeves, and again this is padded. I think you are seeing a pattern there, but most of the stuff that I was liking had shoulder padding, and shoulder padding makes sense in this one because it has cape sleeves, so it stands out a little bit better. And I don't own any cropped shirt for that sake, so I thought that I'll really get this one. Also, this was in black color, which was a big yay for me. Now coming to the price point of this one, this is for 1990 rupees, and I got this for 990, and I'm really glad. I thought, I don't know, it is going to look great on me or not, but I fell in love with this one. I am waiting to just wear this and style this and just go out and seize my day. Now coming to the dresses, the first one that I got is this pretty printed sort of dress. This is a full length dress, and it has buttons in the center. I hope I'm holding it right. Okay, yeah. This has buttons in the center. The button is throughout, like from top to bottom it has buttons, and on the collar it has this string which is actually attached at the back, and there are these two tie kind of things coming out from here. And in the picture they had styled it with few open buttons, and then this was tied with a single knot. I actually wore this like any other girl when they get their stuff, and I tried to style it with 2-3 things, and it looked bomb. Like, if you wear it simply and just put this knot here, or if you want to cinch in at the waist, you can add a belt, a corset belt or a thin belt, whatever kind of belt, and it will look great. It is not very baggy, it has a little bit of straight fit, but both the cases, whether you cinch in at the waist or not, it looks really great. I mean, it's nice. The only issue with this is, which is not a major issue, is its sleeves. This is neither 3/4 nor full sleeves. It just ends somewhere here on my hands. especially it looks a little bit awkward if I am folding my hand. Other than that, I really love this piece. This is very comfortable, very breezy, something which I was looking for. So I'm glad I got this. Now coming to the MRP, this was priced at 3990 rupees, but I got this for 1590, which I think is a steal for a dress like this, which has such beautiful quality. Now coming back to the second dress, it is along the similar line to that first dress. It is again a full sleeves dress which has buttons all over from top to down, and it has collar as well. But the difference in this one is this has a little bit of cinching at the waist. Let me just show you. So it has this elastic sort of thing going on at the back, and in the front there are few pleats which creates an illusion that your waist is snatched and all. Here it is, and this looks really royal, really pretty, very sophisticated kind of dress. And the sleeves are long enough, so I don't have the similar issue as I had with the previous dress. The print is also very different, something I don't have and which is in trend. When I tried this, I really like this one as well. You can actually amp it up if you are going somewhere like party or something like that, or on a beach. You can open a few buttons from the bottom and just show your leg, let your leg shine. And if you are going to office or somewhere formal, you can definitely button down all the buttons obviously, and it will look really great for the formal occasion as well. So again, this dress is a big thumbs up from my side. Also, the big thing here is this is priced at 4490, but I got this for 1590, which I think is a steal. And if you are into such dresses, then you should definitely go for this one. The next dress that I got is a little different one, something that I don't have in my wardrobe. This is a faux leather pinafore sort of dress. This is a very comfortable length dress, a little bit over the knee, and it has a very deep neck, and there is some belt sort of thing going on the shoulders. I don't think I'll be able to wear it just like that, a little too deep. So I tried this with a t-shirt, actually a t-shirt underneath, and it looked really great. But the only issue was the sleeves are a little bit loose on me, so they kept on falling. I'm not sure I should keep it or not, only for that reason. Otherwise, this is a really unique piece for my wardrobe. You guys let me know, should I keep it or should I not keep it? Now coming to the MRP, it is priced at 2990, but I got this one for 1190 rupees. Now coming to the last dress that I got is this pretty floral dress. This is a sleeveless dress and again has padding at shoulders, but the padding is justified. It looks really, really pretty, trust me. And this one has a very deep neck and it is ankle length. Has some pretty buttons in the front. I hope you guys can see. These are the pretty buttons, and it looks very flattering. Although it has a very deep neck, but it is not something like you can't wear. If you are comfortable in wearing a little bit of deep neck, then you will definitely rock it. Or what you can do is you can pair some tube top or a nice bralette inside this, and you are good to go. This is something that I really liked. Now coming to the price point, this is priced at 4490, but I again got this for 1590 rupees. So these were all the stuff that I got from Zara, and everything that I just showed you was in size small. So do let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite, and let me know, did you guys like this haul? If you did, like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then guys, be happy, make everyone happy. Bye bye. Namaste.